All right, today we are talking about under eye filler. So when you come in for your consult to see us, we obviously do an assessment first. A lot of the times patients are not good candidates for under eye filler just because the area is a very delicate area to treat. So we'll do an assessment. Most patients need a structure put into the mid volume of the face because as we age, your face starts to droop a little bit down. So adding filler to the anterior cheek can actually help to support the tear trough area, which helps with some of the hollowing. So here at Bay Hills, we actually do a comprehensive multimodality treatment. So if you come in for your under eyes, we do a wider range of different treatments. So that could be a laser, skincare products, as well as maybe a PRF treatment, which is where we draw your blood. So a lot of different things that we can do to treat the under eye area here at Bay Hills. If you have any questions, give us a call or leave a comment below.